In this video, I'll show you how to book on Airbnb without using a credit card. Many people think a credit card is always required, but that's not true. In some countries, and for some listings, Airbnb allows other payment methods. So if you only have a debit card or a digital wallet, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end, because availability depends on your region and the host. Now let's start. First, open Airbnb in your browser or mobile app and sign in. Search for your destination and choose the home you want to book. Select your dates and click on Reserve. On the payment screen, go to the Payment Method section. Here, you don't have to use only a credit card. If it is available for your location, you can choose a debit card or a digital wallet such as PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Just select the option that does not require a credit card. Some listings also show a pay later or split payment option. This allows you to confirm your booking now and pay the remaining amount later. After selecting your payment option, click on Confirm and Pay. This is the easiest way to book on Airbnb without using a credit card.